Ụmụ Igbo abịakwana m ọzọ keke. Taa ihe m chọrọ ime bụ ka m create ihe a na-akpọ awareness, because e nwere ndị be anyị amaghị ihe na-aga on na UK kịta. But ihe mere bụ ụmụ Igbo ọnụ ya agbagharatụ m, because ihe a m chọrọ ikwu achọrọ m ka o rutechaa ndị be anyị niile, especially ndị Biafra anyị ndị nke anaghị asụ Igbo. So ọ dị mma anyị na-enwekwa ụmụ ihe dị etu anyị na-ebute ka ha nwerekwa na-aghọta ihe anyị na-ekwu. So taa ọnụ ya agbaghara m mma eme dazi ịpasị ozi a n'ihe a na-akpọ pidgin English ka onye ọbụla wee ghọta ihe m na-ekwu. I don't come again. This video I did do am because a lot of people wey live for UK, a lot of Biafrans wey live for UK, dem no know say e get one good thing wey dey happen now. The job opportunity wey UK throw out to Nigerians and African countries, e dey hot. So if you dey for Nigeria and you get sister wey dey for UK, or brother or uncle or auntie, and then they send you money every month, or they send you money where they take care of mama or papa, they take care of yourself, or they take care of your family. Tell them, talk say, even though they no get company, them fit do wetin them they call sponsorship license. If that your auntie or uncle or sister or brother, they work for UK and the person know they commit crime, or in they work better work when they pay them, tell that person say, UK even talk say, you fit go do sponsorship license, they bring that to your family member. And the good thing they say, if you get family like your wife and your children, even they say you get 5 children, UK talk say them will still give them visa, make them follow you, come here, come work. So instead of making them, they bring that money for you. Make you tell and talk say, make he bring you for UK, make you come do this carer work or come work, so that you too go follow the earn this small money where UK talk say then go pay those people where go get visa, come here, come work. So now I say make her bring. So waiting in the corner now, sponsorship license. Tell that person, that your family member where the UK say now sponsorship license. They wanna dial. Bye bye.